July 8th at 11:45 a.m. I made a big error opening a file that was sent to me on Canon cameras. Totally made sense because I've been researching Canon cameras to upgrade some equipment. This was from a new guy I didn't know, but I assumed that maybe it was someone that another person said, hey, send him this information. I was wrong. And that led to the hacking of the Workshop Addict YouTube channel and a few other things that's been an absolute mess. Now, the good news is I was able to contact YouTube on Twitter or X, which is how you do it. It surprises me, and things are rolling. I've been up almost all night trying to work through things and get things back. I hope it's moving in the right direction, but I'm gonna need some help from you guys. Don't unsubscribe from Workshop Addict. When it all comes back, I'm gonna need you guys there. I know you might be getting videos or something that you don't like at this point in time, but please stick with me through that, even though some other guy has control of the channel. I'm gonna need you guys when I come back, and I greatly appreciate all the emails and comments and texts and everything else that I've gotten from countless people through multiple platforms. The support has been amazing, and I'm probably gonna need some of that support as I come back and try to get the channel unblacklisted and all the videos back out and get the monetization going and then get the videos back in the search algorithm on Google. It's gonna be a mess for a little while, but we're gonna work through it, and I will be here tirelessly putting my efforts into getting this done. So don't comment below, I'm sorry, whatever. This happens, it sucks, get through it. I'm not doing this for sympathy. I just don't want people to unsubscribe. I don't want you to give up. We're coming back. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. Worst case scenario, Wrenches and Rides is here, and I will start putting out content on this channel a lot more and dive it in, but I don't think we're gonna be there. YouTube is responding. Oddly enough, they respond more in the middle of the night than they do during the day. Weird. But either way, we'll figure this out. I appreciate you guys. If nothing else, it's great to have a second channel. So if you're just running across this, subscribe to here also, because God, this is one of those things that makes you really realize how much backup we need to have on certain things. And no matter how safe you are with two-factor authentication and all that stuff, and I had it locked down, man. I really did. They can get past it, and they can get past it fast. So anyway, lock your stuff up. If you are just watching this, hackers are out there all the time. Be careful what you open, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for your time.